तुम्हारी माँ अब क्या कर रही है?
What is your mother doing now? What is your mother doing now?
वो फोन पर बात कर रही है।
She is talking on the phone. She is talking on the phone.
मुझे आपका व्हाट्सएप नंबर दीजिए।
Let me have your WhatsApp number. Let me have your WhatsApp number.
मैं व्हाट्सएप का इस्तेमाल नहीं करता।
I don't use WhatsApp. I don't use WhatsApp.
आप उनसे आखिरी बार कब मिले थे?
When was the last time you met with him? When was the last time you met with him?
मैंने उसे आखिरी बार 1 महीने पहले देखा था।
I last saw him 1 month ago. I last saw him 1 month ago.
उस दिन आपने उससे क्या प्रश्न पूछे थे?
What questions did you ask him that day? What questions did you ask him that day?
मैं सिर्फ यह जानना चाहता था कि वो कैसा है।
I just wanted to know how he is. I just wanted to know how he is.
क्या आपको याद है कि वो कैसा दिखता है?
Do you remember as he looks like? Do you remember as he looks like?
हाँ, मुझे वो स्पष्ट रूप से याद है।
Yes, I clearly remember him. Yes, I clearly remember him.
मैं तुम्हारे घर कब आऊँगा?
When will I come to your house? When will I come to your house?
आप जब चाहें आ सकते हैं।
You can come whenever you want. You can come whenever you want.
तुम यहाँ से चले जाओ।
You get out of here. You get out of here.
मैं इस अपमान को कभी बर्दाश्त नहीं करूँगा।
I will never tolerate this insult. I will never tolerate this insult.
क्या आपको उसका नाम याद है?
Do you remember his name? Do you remember his name?
मुझे उसका नाम याद नहीं है।
I don't remember his name. I don't remember his name.
आप कब बाहर जाना चाहते हैं?
When do you want to go out? When do you want to go out?
मैं लगभग 6 बजे बाहर जाना चाहता हूँ।
I want to go out around 6 p.m. I want to go out around 6 p.m.
क्या आप दोनों एक ही उम्र के हैं?
Are you two the same age? Are you two the same age?
नहीं, वो मुझसे बहुत बड़े हैं।
No, he is much older than me. No, he is much older than me.
मैं कहाँ बैठूंगा?
Where will I sit? Where will I sit?
वह आप जहाँ चाहें बैठ सकते हैं।
You can sit wherever you want. You can sit wherever you want.
इस बारे में आपकी क्या राय है?
What is your opinion about this? What is your opinion about this?
मुझे इस बारे में कुछ नहीं कहना है।
I have nothing to say about this. I have nothing to say about this.
क्या आप मेरा एक काम कर सकते हैं?
Can you do me a favor? Can you do me a favor?
तुम जो कहोगे मैं वो करूँगा।
I will do whatever you say. I will do whatever you say.
आप क्या चाहते हैं मुझे बताएं।
Tell me what you want. Tell me what you want.
मुझे अब कुछ नहीं चाहिए।
I don't need anything now. I don't need anything now.
तुम फिर मेरे सामने क्यों आए?
Why did you come in front of me again? Why did you come in front of me again?
कृपया पिछले झगड़ों को भूल जाइए.
Please, forget the previous quarrels. Please, forget the previous quarrels.
आप मुझसे गुस्सा क्यों हैं?
Why are you angry with me? Why are you angry with me?
अब तुम मुझसे बात नहीं करते.
You don't talk to me anymore. You don't talk to me anymore.